Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm transforming this pork belly into bold garlic-packed black pepper bacon. The first step is to weigh the pork belly so I can properly calculate all the curing ingredients. In this recipe, I'm increasing the amount of garlic and black pepper to create a bold and noticeable aroma and flavor. I mix everything thoroughly to ensure even distribution of salt and curing salt. Only after the dry mix is ready do I finally chop the fresh garlic to preserve its freshness and aromatic intensity. Next, I rub the dry cure mixture evenly over the pork belly, making sure every surface is fully coated. Then, I move to the layering step inside the vacuum bag. First, I place half of the chopped garlic into the bag with 1 or 2 bay leaves. Secondly, the seasoned pork belly goes into the bag. Finally, on top, I add the remaining bay leaves and the rest of the chopped garlic. All remaining spices go into the bag. Nothing is discarded. Then, I vacuum seal the bag tightly, keeping all juices and aromatics inside. The belly cures in the refrigerator for 10 days. Every single day, I flip the bag and gently massage the meat to help develop and redistribute the brine and spices inside. The extended curing time allows the salt, garlic and bay leaf to integrate deeply and evenly throughout the meat. After 10 days of curing in the refrigerator, I rinse the meat under cold running water, removing the excess surface salt, garlic and spices. The flavor has already penetrated deep inside. Now we're simply cleaning the exterior for a more refined finish. Then, I pat it completely dry with paper towels. A thermometer is a key element in this process. It allows me to accurately determine the exact moment the meat reaches its proper internal temperature and perfect readiness. There is no such thing as fixed cooking time. My thermometer is my best friend. It tells me exactly when my meat or sausages are ready. The oven temperature increases gradually. I start at 30 degrees Celsius and hold it until the internal meat temperature reaches 16 to 20 degrees. This is a gentle heat ramp that preserves moisture and prevents fat separation. Then I increase the oven temperature to 75 degrees Celsius and continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 65 degrees. From that point on, I rely entirely on the thermometer, not the clock. Personally, I like to finish my bacon with a light sprinkle of paprika and ground black pepper. But that's entirely up to your preference. Then, I cool the bacon to stop heat carryover and prevent overcooking. The surface temperature should fall below 30 degrees Celsius as quickly as possible. Then I refrigerate it overnight to fully stabilize the structure. This resting phase is critical for achieving clean, professional slices. Excellent result! This bacon delivers bold garlic on the front, pronounced cracked black pepper in the mid-notes, and a subtle bay leaf undertone in the background. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll reply as soon as I can.